Okay, so I know there's some confusion with the directions on this, so I just wanted to clarify. So you should have this paper, then you should have these 2 strips of paper. So when it says to slide it along, you're actually going to cut a slit in the paper here where it says slit. And then you're going to insert your DNA through that slit. So you're going to have to go underneath the paper, and I'll just set my phone down for a second. You're going to want to actually insert it through that slit on the paper itself. So then when you're done, it should look something like this. And it's going through that little slit, and then you're going to line these up so there's 2 nucleotides on the DNA strand right here. Then your other strand, like this, you're actually going to cut these letters apart. And after you cut them apart, you're going to match up which 2 nucleotides or bases here should match up next to this template strand of DNA. Now remember, we don't have both strands of DNA, we just have the template strand. So you're going to line up the correct nucleotides here, then you're going to tape them together, and then move it along, and then you'll move this along to 2 more, and do the same thing, and tape them together like you're creating the mRNA molecule. And it says in the directions to have one of you be RNA polymerase and one of you to be the cytoplasm. Remember, these nucleotides are floating around in the cytoplasm. This is inside the nucleus, and so you or your partner, one or the other, can decide to be which one, so you're kind of simulating the process. So when it actually says to cut the slit, don't forget to cut a slit in the paper and stick the DNA through that. So that should help you with understanding what the directions mean.